Hey, this is Mateo with YouTube Creator AI. I'm just going to show you the after of my ideation workshop here. Just come to youtubecreatorai.com, come to the ideation suite. It's going to start here with the top where you can put in your own, topic, or you can come to the topic scout, put in your custom niche. I put in my custom. You can put in your own channel niche, or you can put in a custom niche. I put in celebrity homes for sale, and it gave me these topics here. It ranked these one through 5. So you can use this to start building a video off of. Once you select a concept or a topic that you like, you can start building on the audience. The audience that's kind of going to be looking at these type of videos here. You can generate a video hook as well, and then get a script together. So this is the one I did. Like I said, I was going to start doing another one. So I did one for Mark Zuckerberg. So you can see here at the top, my topic scout started out with that here, and then it carried over and gave us got us a full script here, script outline, a full script, some visual notes to take a look at. We can run some voiceover clips for it as well, and then it comes down to give us our titles, our descriptions, keywords, and a thumbnail as well. So I did that for Mark Zuckerberg. I'm about to run it for this particular topic next. So go ahead and get your whole video package built here in just a few minutes with YouTube Creator AI. After I was done here, it carries it all over to my notes here. So I'm ready to start filming. Check it out.